What is going on, guys? Your boy Daniel Lewis back with another video, and in this video it's going to be really short and simple and sweet, and I'm going to tell you guys the best vending machine to buy as a beginner, and it's the personal vending machines I have bought. Now, if you know my channel, if you see my channel, if you subscribe to my channel, you know exactly what vending machines I'm on about, so you don't really have to watch the video, but stay tuned if you want a vending machine giveaway, because in this video I will be giving this away, this exact vending machine I'm recommending. So stay tuned for that. If you think about starting a vending machine business, I personally go for this vending machine right here. Now here's why. Extremely cheap to buy. You can pick these things up used for as little as £50 a vending machine, but you're looking at around about £90 per vending machine used, roughly. If you've got to buy brand new, it's like 160. Don't buy brand new, because that's just very expensive for what it is. £90, it's great. Number two, they're really light, they're really easy to move around, you don't need a van to move them, okay? So you can legit, like, it comes in two parts, the tub itself and then the stands. It's literally two parts, you can carry them yourself both at the same time, it's not heavy. The stand's obviously got a bit of weight to it, but it's not like to the point where you're pulling your back out like you would is on a massive vending machine. So that's why, again, so the transport is easy, so you find a location, you can literally just whack it in the back of your car, drive there and put it out, and that is as simple as that. But if you're going to put in like a pub or something, I would recommend a bike chain or something like that to wrap around it and tie it to a radiator if the venue lets you. That way no one tries to rob it from that venue. So a little cheeky tip, if you are going to get one of these machines, don't put them outside. Just a quick one to interrupt. If you are going to buy one of these machines, I have videos on my channel where I tell you how to start this business. Not only that, the best products for this business. Not only that, the best venues for this business, and also my personal experience with this. So if you want to see anything to do with that before you go out and buy one of these machines, go and check that out. There is actually a playlist which I'll link in the description below on where these videos are. So that way you can literally just really quickly binge watch them, see if it's for you. If it's not, obviously don't buy it. Happy days, you save yourself money. If you are interested, then you can just make sure it's for you. But honestly, there's like hundreds of different reasons to why this is better than a big one. Now, some of the cons of this, buying these machines, is the profit is a lot lower, the profit margins are a lot less. You're going to obviously put £1 in and you can get a maximum of £1 per one product, whereas an electric vending machine, you can charge yourself, you know, you can kind of make up whatever price you want. However though, with them big vending machines, when you're trying to find a venue, you need somewhere that is happy to let them use your electric. And at the moment, with the cost of electric in the UK and the gas prices and utility bills, whatever you want to call them, a lot of these places are going to be really hesitant, because it's going to be cutting into their electric bill, and then not only that, cutting into your profits, and then fuel is going up, so they're cutting into your fuel prices. It's a difficult one, it is, and that's why I go with these. Into the fun bit, the giveaway. If you are interested in one of these vending machines, all I want you to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment, I want that vending machine. Now, there is some requirements with this. I need to hit 250 likes on this video before I give this vending machine away. I saved this vending machine specifically for this, because I wanted to give it away to one of you lucky people. I will, if I can, deliver it myself to your location, but obviously if you're like miles and miles away from me, then I'll have it courier take it to you. You don't have to pay for anything. It will come with the machine and with the stand and with a key, so it's just ready to put out into a shop for you to start your vending machine business. And I'll also give you a few tips in my personal DMs when the winner is announced. So again, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment, I want the vending machine. And then what we'll start doing is, hopefully once we get 250 subscribers, I will choose a giveaway on a live stream on YouTube or Instagram or whatever I can live stream on, and then we'll go from there. So it's been your boy Daniel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure, again, share this video as well with your friends. Try and get as many people to like this as possible, and that way we can get the vending machine away as quickly as possible. Peace.